All right, all right, all right. Um, so I made a few bucks today, like 175 a contract on one move in the morning, and then I backed off because normally I don't trade before the non-farm payroll report, which is tomorrow at 8:30. So I'm going to. So I did. I backed off of that. There was a pretty nice move in the afternoon. I think this is all motivated by Facebook. Um, but before we get any further into that, do me a favor: subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Um, Check me out tomorrow on Twitter at trading underscore off. Couple of venues or options that you could help support the channel. Um, any of your support would be appreciated and help me build the channel and add quality content. So that being said, my feel on Facebook is that it's a buy, man. It's getting beat up aggressively. A lot of naysayers going out there and slamming it, and algorithms taking a hold of it and pushing it down. But you're getting a lot of different views on metaverse and all of that stuff. But I think these guys are in good shape, and I think they're going to turn it around. Yeah, the trend is going more towards TikTok and Twitter and Snapchat. Yeah, if you're talking to young kids, that's what they're looking at. They think that Facebook is for the elderly, but I don't think they're that Facebook is ready to give up on the game. And I do see the metaverse being a viable force in the future. I actually think that we're going to be in virtual offices within the next 15 to 20 years. So, anyway, that's my view. Just quickly on that. To look at the market on the daily, this is what we've been looking for. Yesterday, I was hoping for a shooting star, which would have given us a better indication that this was going to happen. This It was a little strong to the upside. I mean, I don't like the doji as far as calling it a shooting star, but I did position myself for a retrace, and I anticipate I got a target at about 4408. I don't want to see it go any further than that. I mean, even if it went to 4472, that would be a real good retrace to consider this a bull flag. Any more than that, it's too much of a retrace to consider it a bull flag. Also, as far as quality, I like these bars for a bull flag, but yeah, this sort of bar for a bull flag, too indecisive to me. I'd rather it open low, pushed up, open low, pushed up. That shows me strength. That's pretty nice. So this isn't classic, but it's still a good bull flag. But again, I don't want to see it dip below the 4472 tomorrow for the bull flag, or but if it does, again, I have the 4408 as my target. If this is the layout, I would look for the bull flag trigger on Monday. What I suspect is going to happen is that we're going to take out the 38% tomorrow. The 452, is that practical? Yeah, we'll probably take out the 452. I think we're going to hit that 50% retrace Monday and make a hammer, and then take off. So we'll probably come down around here tomorrow somewhere. But yeah, that this is conjecture. There's nothing here telling me that this is a strong bar. I'm looking for a pullback here. The pattern I suspect the market is taking just comes from a feel and experience by looking at it, but there's no numbers that are telling me that. We're getting a rollover here. This is a big sell-off. I mean, people could get enthusiastic about the market and push it up. This could be the daily bear flag. If we opened and broke this high, I'd be a bull. So, you can't say that Dave's a bull or Dave's a bear. Dave is whatever the market's doing, and that's how Dave makes his money. But as far as investing my money, it's all fundamental. It has nothing to do with the technicals. Maybe I'll look at technicals and say, hey, there's a better time to buy. But long-term investing, it's all about fundamentals. But this sort of stuff that I'm sharing with you right here, Dave is what the market is. Okay. Dave is as the market does. So anyway, that's it, man. That's my look at it. That's my thought about Facebook. Um, it was a beautiful day today, so I didn't mind walking away from the market and going out. I went out, man. I hopped on a bike, I went riding a little bit, and you know, I'm landside right now. I'm on the boat, but I'm at a marina, and just chilling and enjoying the community and the town. And yeah, it was so beautiful out, man. And I needed it. It's been like 2 weeks. It's been miserable. So anyway, everybody have a good evening. Be calm, cool. Hope you're all at peace, and good luck trading.